Right, it's plugged into the vehicle down there. Let's see what it does. See if it's going to do a auto. Do an auto detect. And it's an Autel, this one, being Spanish. Show once. Click that. Standalone diagnostics. Enter repair number. We don't need to do that. Let's just go standalone. VIN number. Okay, that's what it is. Oh, it's an extra J. I thought it was a H. So it's a nice little machine. Really nice, handy size. Has it got stop start? No, it does not. Touch screen is really good. Manual transmission. Now when it's done, it's oh no, I'll just fast forward this bit, can't I? And also it charges from the vehicle battery, which is really good. And I don't think it has that, because I haven't noticed the headlights going up and down when I start. Beam going up and down when I start it. Oh, I don't know, so I'm going to go for the later one. Right, so let's have a look at hot functions. Water pump with clutch, no. No. It does ask a lot of questions. Park assist module version. Right, let's do an oil reset. That's where we wanted to get. Go. Auto oil reset. Not successful. Okay. Engine oil life reset. Okay. Confirm. Turn the ignition off. Ignition is off. Turn the ignition on. Performed successfully. Continue. Right. Now we can check that if we have a look in the menu. There we go. Set 100%.